Log into MentorCity by going to mentorcity.com and clicking on the Login button. Type in your email address and password. You will be taken to your MentorCity dashboard. Your message hub on MentorCity is where you will send messages and view all sent and received messages. To get to the message hub, click on the message icon on the top right of the page. It looks like an envelope. If there's a dot next to the message icon, that means you have an unread message. Through your message hub, you can send messages in many forms. You can send text messages, where you just type your message into the text box, which is called the send message box. And you can also create videos, voice messages, and send pictures and documents. To do this, click on the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip and is located to the right of the text box. Navigate to your file on your computer and click Open to attach it to the message. You may also wish to write in the text box a short description of what you attached. You will see the name of your file near the Send button, and the Send button looks like a paper airplane. You can only send one attachment per message, so if you are sending a series of photos, for example, you will have to send each one in a separate message. When your message is ready, click the Send button. The Send button looks like a paper airplane. If your mentor has attached a file to their message, you will see a document icon within the message they sent. It looks like a piece of paper that says Document on it. Click on it to view the file.